I am going to feed the birds. Why? Because they're so annoying. There, now the birds are going to eat it. Oh no, the birds are coming after me. Ow, 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 ow. Thank you so much, birds, for hurting me. This is all of your fault. Hi, Simon from Alvin and the Chipmunks. What's wrong?
Vinsconti, we do not ever feed food to the birds because the birds don't like the food because it's unhealthy. And you should not also know that it can increase the zoonotic disease, as due to the high interactions with the humanity. That's it. Get out of my sight while I call your parents about this.
Uncle Vinsconti, are you crazy or something? We cannot believe that you just feed it birds food. You should know by now that birds don't like human food because it's unhealthy.
And to add on, what you did worsens the risk of zoonotic disease, because you made wildlife animals to interact with people. That is it. You're now punished. Your punishment will be is that you're going to be grounded for a week. Now, go to your room right now this instant.